Good morning to all. I am Professor Neeraj Kumar Dhakad, Assistant Professor, EC Department, SIIT Bhopal. Today we will discuss about the block diagram of communication system. Basically, communication system come under the analog and digital communication, IT 404. So first we will discuss about the course objective of the analog and digital communication. So the course objective of analog and digital communication is the study of communication system. Start with the concept of analog communication system. In this course, time and frequency representation of information is given. The objective of this course is to be familiar with the basic building block of communication system, such as modulator, demodulator, and different types of analog and digital communication technique. If we are talking about the analog communication technique, analog modulation technique, so amplitude modulation, frequency modulation, and phase modulation. If we are talking about the digital modulation technique, so we can say that the ASK, PSK, QPSK, these techniques we will study in this course. So first we will study the block diagram of communication system. So first we have the information signal or data signal, which we can apply the input transducer. The input transducer is used to convert the message signal to the electrical signal, and this electrical signal is applied to the transmitter. Basically, the transmitter is the combination of the mixer, amplifier, power amplifier, oscillator, and so this signal is transmitted to the channel. And in the channel, basically there are two types of channel. First one is the wired channel, second one is the wireless channel. If we are talking about the wired channel, so we can transmit the electrical signal through the wire. If we are talking about the example of the wired signal is telephone. And if we are talking about the wireless signal, so using wireless signal, we can transmit the information using the EM wave, electromagnetic wave. For example of wireless signal is mobile communication, satellite communication, etc. And this signal is received to the receiver, and the receiver processes opposite to the transmitter. And now this signal is reached to the output transducer, which convert the electrical signal to the sound signal, data signal, whatever signal you have to transmit it by your transmitter. So we will discuss about the block diagram one by one. The example of the input signal, like the sound signal, speech signal, and music signal, and you can transmit a picture also. The input transducer is used to convert the sound waves or picture waves, picture signal to the electrical signal. Transmitter is used to, transmitter is basically the circuit which contains the some amplifier, mixer, oscillator, and power amplifier. And already we have discussed about the channel. We have two types of channel, wired channel and wireless channel. Noise is the unwanted signal which can add to the original signal, and by using the noise, our original signal can be corrupted. So we have to use that amplitude modulation technique, by which we can transmit the original signal source to the destination, and receiver is the opposite process of transmitter. Output transducer is used to convert the electrical signal to the original signal, whatever signal you have to transmit, like the picture wave signal, sound signal, or music signal. So it is the all about the communication system. So thank you so much.